This week on Riders Nation, I'm out at the fall Freemansburg hill climb. Let's see what kind of fun we can have this time. The Riders Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles in a safe, controlled setting. No matter how many times I look at this hill, it still amazes me that they race motorcycles up this mountain. This is an incredibly popular event, as you can see, by all the people that came out. The first vendor I visited was Full Throttle Cycles from Washington, New Jersey. They had great stuff here, and I had a great conversation with their owner. Things work out, you may be seeing them more in future videos. Until then, check them out at fullthrottleautocycle.com. It was a beautiful day for the races, and the group that hosts this event are organized and run a tight ship. There definitely wasn't a shortage of vendors at the hill climb. I love the fact that they incorporate a bike show into this day. So many people put so much time into their bikes and so much money into personalizing and customizing their bikes. It's nice that they get to show them off. This 2018 Softail Slim is one of the most amazing bikes I have ever seen. So much so, I had to spotlight this bike in a past short video. So check that out if you're interested in the story behind the bike and the owner. She is one amazing woman. And yes, as her helmet says, haters are always gonna hate. This custom road glide right here from Sinister Airbrushing in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania was the best in show winner, and deservedly so. An amazing bike, an amazing color scheme, an amazing customization all the way around. Congratulations. Nothing like watching these bikes race up this impossible mountain. It amazes me every time, no matter how many times I see it. I think these guys are all crazy for what they do, but they are entertaining. Like this video, please do us a favor, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave us some comments. It really helps the channel out. We have very big plans for the channel. We want to do lots of things, but it all starts with you by hitting that subscribe button, giving us some likes, and giving us some comments. Thank you all, and let's get back to the video. So many beautiful bikes and so few time to admire them. But if people are going to put the time into making their bikes custom, I will take the time to spotlight all their hard work. Do your best and enjoy the sights. As always, thank you for checking out the video. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit that like button. Drop some comments below. Have you ever been to the Freemansburg hill climb? What do you think of it? Until next time, Riderz Nation, stay safe and live the dream.